आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे पार्ट 2 ऑफ जेनेटिक्स एमसीक्यूज जो कि डिफरेंट कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 29, द कंडीशन इन विच ओनली वन अलील ऑफ अ पेयर इज प्रेजेंट इज कॉल्ड होमोजाइगस, हेमीजाइगस, heterozygous, incomplete dominance. So correct answer is option B. The condition where only one allele of a pair is present, then it is called as hemizygous condition. Question number 30. A pure tall pea plant was reared in soil poor in nutrition and reached the size of pure dwarf pea plant. If this plant is shelved, the genotype in F1 generation is most likely to be all tall, 50% tall and 50% dwarf, all dwarf, not possible to predict. So correct answer is option A कि F1 जनरेशन के अंदर सारे प्लांट्स क्या होंगे, टाल प्लांट्स होंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31, a cross between a plant heterozygous for two factor and a plant recessive for both factor give a phenotypic ratio. तो अगर एक हेट्रोजाइगस प्लांट का और एक रिसेसिव प्लांट का क्रॉस कराएंगे तो वो टेस्ट क्रॉस होगा, और टेस्ट क्रॉस की जो रेशो होती है वो होती है 1:1:1:1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 32, विच इज़ बैक क्रॉस इन अ मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस। तो मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस के अंदर जो बैक क्रॉस की वैल्यू है वो है 1:1। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 33, विच टर्म रिप्रेजेंट्स अ पेयर ऑफ कंट्रास्टिंग करैक्टर, होमोजाइगस, हेट्रोजाइगस, कंप्लीमेंट्री जीन, allelomorph. So correct answer is option D. Allelomorph represents a pair of contrasting characters. Question number 34. In monohybrid cross, the F2 phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1, 2:1, 3:1, 1:3:1. So correct answer is option C. In monohybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio in F2 generation is 3:1. Question number 35. The term heterosis represents hybrid incompatibility, hybrid vigor, hybrid sterility, structural hybridity. So correct answer is option B. Term heterosis represents the hybrid vigor. Question number 36. The genes which is homozygous condition result in non-viable progeny are called duplicate gene, linked gene, lethal gene, epistatic gene. So correct answer is option C. Lethal genes in homozygous condition results in non-viable offspring. Question number 37, which is called a paleotropic gene, control characters of a human being only, control a character of plants, control one character in association with other, control more than one character. So correct answer is option D. पेलियोट्रॉपिक जीन जो है वो एक से ज़्यादा करैक्टर को कंट्रोल करता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 38, द जीनोटाइप ऑफ अ डोमिनेंट पेरेंट इज डिटरमाइंड बाय क्रॉसिंग इट विद अ हाइब्रिड। दिस क्रॉस इज कॉल्ड बैक क्रॉस, टेस्ट क्रॉस, लॉन्ग क्रॉस, रेड क्रॉस। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी। द जीनोटाइप ऑफ अ डोमिनेंट पेरेंट इज डिटरमाइंड बाय क्रॉसिंग इट विद हाइब्रिड। दिस क्रॉस इज नॉन एज टेस्ट क्रॉस। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी। Question number 39. Allosomes are bead-like structures in the chromosomes, nod-like structures on the chromosome, or sex chromosomes, none of the above. So correct answer is option C. Allosomes are the alternative name of sex chromosomes. Question number 40. F1 generation represents first fertile generation, first final generation, first filial generation, first federation generation. So correct answer is option C. F1 generation represents the first filial generation. Question number 41. Monohybrid test cross ratio is 1:2:1, 3:1, 1:1, 2:1. So correct answer is option C. The monohybrid test cross ratio is 1:1. Question number 42. Incomplete dominance was first reported in 4-o'clock plant by Mendel, Morgan, Batson, Corinth. So correct answer is option D. Incomplete dominance was first reported in 4-o'clock plant by Carl Corinth. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। Number 43. Same genotypic and phenotypic ratio in F2 generation are obtained in complete dominance, blending inheritance, codominance, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Same genotypic and phenotypic ratio in F2 generation are obtained in blending inheritance. Question number 44. In which incomplete dominance is seen? Wheat, maize, mouse, Snapdragon. So correct answer is option D. In case of Snapdragon, incomplete dominance is observed. Question number 45. Lethal factors were reported in plants by Coinot, Bohr, or Batson, Morgan. So correct answer is option B. D. Bohr reported the lethal factors in plants. Question number 46. Intra-allelic gene suppression is called epistasis, hypostasis, dominance, none of these. So correct answer is option C. Intra-allelic gene suppression is known as dominance, while inter-allelic gene suppression is known as epistasis. Question number 47. The gene interaction in which either of the dominant gene is enough to give rise to the same phenotypic effect is called complementary gene, duplicate gene, epistatic gene, supplementary gene. So correct answer is option B. In case of duplicate gene interaction, either of the dominant gene is enough to produce the same phenotypic effect again. Question number 48. When two pair of genes interact to give 9:7 F2 ratio, they are called supplementary factor, complementary factor, epistatic factor, duplicate factor. So correct answer is option B. Complementary gene factors give 9:7. Question number 49. 12:3:1 F2 ratio is obtained in interaction of complementary factors, supplementary factor, epistatic factor, inhibitory factor. So correct answer is option C. Epistatic factors give 12:3:1. Question number 50. Mendel may not be able to establish the law of independent assortment if both characters were located on separate non-homologous chromosome. Same homologous chromosome, separate chromosome, but at different locus, same sex chromosome. So correct answer is option B. If both characters are located on the same homologous chromosomes, then the linkage phenomenon will occur. So Mendel would not be able to establish the law of independent assortment. Question number 51. Exception to the Mendel law of independent assortment was first discovered by Morgan, Stuyvesant, Batson, and Punnett. None of these. So correct answer is option C. Exception to the Mendel law of independent assortment is linkage phenomenon, and that was first discovered by Batson and Punnett. Question number 52. The phenomenon of linkage was first discovered in sweet pea, garden pea, mirabilis, or snapdragon. So correct answer is option A. Phenomenon of linkage was first discovered in sweet pea or Lathyrus odoratus. Question number 53. Who coined the term linkage? Batson and Punnett, Thomas Hunt Morgan, Corin de Vries. So correct answer is option B. The term linkage was first coined by Thomas Hunt Morgan. Question number 54. Coupling and repulsion phenomenon are concerned with crossing over, linkage, mutation, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Coupling and repulsion are two aspects of linkage phenomenon. Question number 55. The theory of linear arrangement of gene on chromosome was formulated by Stuyvesant, Morgan, Batson, Mendel. So correct answer is option A. The theory of linear arrangement of genes on the chromosome was formulated by Stuyvesant. So correct answer is option A.